Alright, so today gotta get up and go into the store. Today is a barbecue and pool day here in the country. So I'm gonna get up. Primrose is still sleeping. So she's gonna get up and get dressed, and I will see you guys in the car. Jimmy Jones before we go, so we won't be gone on an empty stomach. So what you do is you take them out of the package, put them in there, you put it in the microwave for it to defrost, and then you heat it up, and it's like all gooey and delicious. Yeah. So I thought, why not save and make it at home? So one of these videos I will show me making this. But I'm super excited for it. We're at I almost said Harvey's. We're at Winn-Dixie right now getting some of the groceries that we need for the rest of the barbecue. Then we're gonna head back home and we're gonna get in the pool. It's killing me, and I must confess, I still believe.